What's going on, world? Back again. Have a new way to make some money. So with this one, I'm going to be selling Bitcoin and receiving interest payments when somebody buys the Bitcoin. I'm going to receive the interest payments to my PayPal account. So to do this, you need a Bitcoin wallet, a PayPal account, and you're going to have to sign up with this company I'm going to show you in a minute.
But first,
they said I need an intro.
let's go.
Alright, so I just learned about this recently. I saw some YouTube videos about it. So first thing I have to do is buy some Bitcoin. Come over to Coinbase. I'm already set up. About $35. Alright, it's a fee of $1.99 from Coinbase. I'm gonna end up with $33. That's fine. Alright, my balance is $32.85. Then what I'm gonna do is come over to this site here. I'll put a link in the description. So basically, this is the amount I want to lend. What's the total balance? What was it? $32.85. Let's see. Let's just say $32. All right, 1 second. Let me do this part. All right, I'm back. I uploaded my ID and information as requested. So now I'm to the page where it goes over this agreement. So I'm lending Bitcoin and I'm going to receive payment for the Bitcoin through PayPal. Plus the buyer is going to pay interest at 10%. So this is the chart showing what's getting ready to happen. So for lending or selling $32 in Bitcoin, I will receive $37.71 in PayPal. Continue. Yes, I'm ready to deposit. All right, continue. Let me see something. 03000303869. Write that down. So I need to send that to this address. Let me copy it. All right. All right, so let me go back to Coinbase and send it to that address. $0.00303,869 to this address. Continue. Alright, so I'm going to pause it until that amount is showing up in that address. All right, so I think that was about 30-45 minutes total from buying the Bitcoin and loading it up into this wallet. So now we're just waiting on some Bitcoin to sell, and anybody that buys Bitcoin is going to pay a 10% interest fee straight to me, along with the amount of Bitcoin they buy, straight to PayPal. So I'll pause this video until I receive my first payment, and I'll show you how it works. Once this video is done, you can look in the description for all the links to sign up for this company. Hopefully you already have a PayPal account, and if you don't have a Coinbase account, I'll put a link in the description for you to sign up to that as well. So I found this page here under Linden Offers, where I could update the offer. So right now, the first part of the video, I'm selling Bitcoin at with 10% interest. So I can increase that. I'm gonna try to get 17%. All right, so Linden Offers updated. So if somebody purchases Bitcoin from me, they'll pay 17%. All right, so I just got notified that somebody did take a loan or bought $20 worth of Bitcoin, 17% interest. They paid $3.40 in interest plus the PayPal fees. So what I do now is I take that principal plus interest and put it back in there and make it available for another sell. So I already have $10 left in there because they only took 20 out of the $30 I had in there, $32. So you just keep doing that over and over again. So I'll put a link in the description as promised, so you all can get started if you want to do the same thing as I'm doing with Bitcoin. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try my best to answer it, but if you just follow my instructions, you'll be able to do exactly what I just did. It was that easy. All right, till next time.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right, see you guys later.